guys, Icy Breeze here, and today is Mega Monday, so let's make it. Is it right? For popular demand, Bilbo. Yep, that's popular demand test. Thank you, Bilbo, for actually commenting. I love it when people comment. We are making more slime. This is holographic slime packet. It's kind of like the unicorn slime packet we did. So it comes with every. I just said that.
We will get to butter slime.
We will. I'm really sorry. Okay, so it comes with un instructions for camera me. Un sodium borax. Un cup. Un
glitter glue.
Holographic glitter glue. Un plastic spoon. Un wooden dowel rod and dos packets of holographic glitter. So what do we do first? Okay, I think it needs to go back in the water. Because it's legit pooping glitter all over our table.
I thought they told you all about it.
I don't know. Because I have one of this tablecloth to be glittery sometimes. This is a goopy mess. Look, it's like a little glittery blob. It's like Blobby from Hotel Transylvania, but glitter edition. Could you just imagine if there is a third movie, glitter edition Blobby? Wouldn't that be really funny?
Yeah, and if you didn't see Hotel Transylvania, you should watch it.
You're saying Transylvania is the cutest thing in the world. What are you doing over there?
So you know I just meddled the table.
Please don't.
Okay.
Are you making slime boogers?
Yeah, and I'm going to fish them out.
Where are you putting the slime boogers? When you fish them out, pretty pink.
That then.
Oh.
Yeah.
There you go. More slime.
Yeah.
Let me take out the blobs.
Can I pay some?
It's amazingly amazing texture.
Feel this. It feels amazing. Llama, llama. Zero drama.
Llama llama glitter holodrama!
Yeah, yeah.
So this is needing a lot of working.
Mommy, then I oh my one.
Look at this, guys.
Icy Breeze.
It's defying gravity. Not really, it's just so sticky it sticks to my hand.
Mommy's
Guys, we are back, and we are now adding the glitter. See, we got a nice slime texture and a farty texture. Farty slime. The best kind of slime.
Alright, so now we're going to add a little bit more of the glitter.
Only a small bit at a time.
Are you on camera? Okay.
That's enough.
Okay. Wow, that's actually
You
a
just
tiny,
fold
tiny.
it in just like you fold in chocolate chips on a cookie.
Or pumpkin cheese muffins.
Yeah. Or other things that you fold into stuff. I don't know. We only really
Or
fold
other-
in chips
Or other examples.
and things. Stuff and things.
Man, you can just see the little red dot on the side.
Dad, I wouldn't hold it then like this.
Well, we'll have to scoot them over this way. But yeah, we can do that.
Yeah, which one is for the bed? Which one is for the We're allowed to add some more now.
Not yet.
Alright. I'll just get some more diddle off me then.
Oh, it's almost too slimy now. We can maybe add some other glitter glue sometime. So,
Yeah.
do we want to keep putting glitter in it? Or is it good enough?
I
don't
say
know.
it's good enough.
It gave us a lot of glitter.
It did. I think we can use the glitter for another project
think
some
so.
other time.
We
Okay,
could
we
have
will-
holographic butter slime.
Okay. Bell, we're doing holographic butter slime next.
No, not next.
That's fine.
Well, not next.
Not next.
Not tomorrow. Not
No.
Tear It Open Tuesday.
Well, no. But we will do it. Maybe next week.
Next week.
Hopefully.
Possibly.
Maybe.
Possibly.
You didn't have to know one.
So the real question is, if I tear it in half, will glitter come out?
Oh my goodness.
Yeah, I definitely think I added too much borate now. I still feel like I'm saying some witch from the Witch Academy deck. Borate, come here. You are in trouble, Borate. Borate Axia. You know, and I'm gonna have to do a drawing of that and then do a custom.
Can you see all the glitter? I don't know if they can.
They can. So glittery, guys. Thumbnail right here. I hope.
I can do that. I've been a little lazy about our thumbnails lately. Beautiful.
Can I paint it?
The glitter would like to say. Oh, it would like to say please.
Like this video and subscribe to Icy Breeze Show. And in the comments, let me know if you like slime and if you want us to do glittery butter slime. I love you, my life school.